Hey, this is Brian, the main contributor to the Smart Connections Obsidian plugin, and I'm about to go through the different GitHub issues that I have been unable to respond to. It takes a lot of time to read through the issues and formulate a good response, so I'm hoping that by recording my process, you can see what I'm thinking as I'm coming up with the response, and hopefully that will provide you with more insights on what the future of smart connections look like, and also answer whatever questions it is that you had in the issue itself. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. Issue 105, feature request, handle HTML tags and notes. So this is definitely a good idea because, at least in Obsidian, and then even on like GitHub README, which is also, can use Markdown format, there is some HTML tags that are available. What I think we should do here with this issue is move it to the JSBrains project as a feature request for the Smart Chunks Markdown adapter. So the Markdown adapter for Smart Chunks is what parses the notes into the note or the embedding input for the full note, and also the embedding input for chunks or blocks. So I think that the number one thing we should do is move maybe let's rename this first. Let's go Markdown adapter should handle HTML tags. Okay. So, and then we're going to move that to JSBrains. And the reason we're moving it is simply because the JSBrains project handles this logic. So, I can imagine the way this will be handled is we can specify some different HTML tags that should be included, and then some HTML tags that should not be included. I think that, it's very likely that people's use of HTML tags varies widely across Obsidian vaults. So, having that control would be a good idea. And at very minimum, I think it would make a lot of sense to reformat any HTML tags into a Markdown type format. So if you have any thoughts on how to proceed with that, like what would make most sense for your vault, please feel free to chime in on this issue. It's issue number 6 in the JSBrains repository now. And then we'll see where we go from there. Okay, on to the next one.